how to fix Minecraft lagging on a good PC. So here's what you want to do. Open up your computer search first, and you want to search for graphic settings. Click on this option. Now right here you will search for Minecraft. Find Minecraft, click on the arrow here, and GPU preference, you want to choose high performance. Now after you have done this, you will close this and you want to open up the Minecraft launcher itself. Alright, so choose the version of Minecraft which you play, and you want to go into installations. Now find the latest release, click on the three dots and you want to click on edit. Choose more options, and this is going to be the amount of RAM that is allocated to Minecraft. What we can do is search for device specifications and see how much RAM you have if you're not sure. For example, I have 32 gigabytes and it's only using 2 gigabytes. So for example, for me, I can change this to 20 gigabytes. If you have 16 gigabytes of RAM, you can allocate up to 10. And also if you have 8, you can allocate up to 6. Click on save, and that is how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.